Everybody, All Pro Exterior Services here with a little bit of a maintenance. I think I mentioned in one of my previous videos that we did spring a leak with the AR. Not where you think, but right here on this seal. The shaft spins. There's a seal in here. You can see, I don't know if you can see the drip. You can see some residual oil. So I wanted to make this video because it's not a hate video on the AR, because as many hours as we have on this AR, it has proven to be a worth, machine that's worthy of what it needs to be done. And that seal, which is you can get them at Sprayer Depot when they have them in stock. They're like $6, I think, which is right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and first thing we need to do, we got done today, so still a little warm. So anyway, first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drain this oil here. Get that all drained, clean, and then once that drains out, there's a little ring in here. I'm gonna pull the ring off, pop the seal off, put the new one on, put the ring back, and we're done. So, in fact, like I tell you guys all the time, what I do is when that seal's $6, I order 2 or 3 of them, because if it happened once, it may happen again, and it's good to have a backup. So, not a big deal. I got the oil drained. Pretty simple process. Again, take off the cap so you get some ventilation so that thing will flow. You can put the cap on, just set it on there temporarily so we don't get no debris in the cap. Anyway, you can see here I got these, let's see if this will work. Like a glove. Right tools for the right job makes for an easy job. Now, let's see if we can get this bad boy out. This may be a little tougher. I need to get a better screwdriver. This one don't have such a good tip on it, but it's alright. There you go. So we're gonna pull this bad boy out right here. Of course, it's just worn around the shaft seal. So I'm gonna go ahead and use our towel here. I put a little rag underneath it in case we had any residual oil coming out of it. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up right away. And clean the shaft off in case we get anything. And I'm a big component of marine grease. I don't know, when I used to race my dirt bikes, I used to use that stuff on everything, use it on a boat. So I may put a little film of marine grease on there. And we use that Bel Ray stuff right here. Bel Ray waterproof grease. I'll just take a little dab of it on the finger and wrap it around the area where we're going to be working. Just kind of like this. A little bit right here. Sorry, I'm losing y'all on camera. I'm trying to do this with one hand. Okay. That's golden. So we got the new one here. We always check the parts identification and make sure they're kind of accurate. Looks to be accurate to me. This bad boy sits in here. There you go. Fits in there nice and snug. Wipe this ring off. Sorry for all the kids. These kids are off this week, I think, with the holiday. There you go. Okay, we're done. Just gonna look at this. There you go. Easy job. No more leak. So I'll probably come back with a little bit of degreaser. Just degrease it. It's an old towel, but here's the old one. And I do have another one in the truck. Let me grab it. So let's see if we can see a kind of a difference here. Let's go in the garage. So kind of a difference here. You see this one's worn out. There is some numbers on there. But anyway. That's a wrap. Properly dispose of the old one, file 13. Call that a wrap. Had to put some of this stuff on this tools. Anyway, this Deep Creep Premium Penetrating Oil Lubricant. Really good stuff. That's it for the video. I'm gonna go ahead and put some oil back in it, some fresh oil back in it. Again, take off your top. Remember, non-detergent. Let's go to I probably need to order some more oil from Napa. Not sure what we got. Here's some here. Yeah, I need to get some more. Anyway, we'll fill it up. Make sure our and this oil gets dirty quick. So people always ask me, man, your oil gets dirty quick, and I'm like, yeah, but it's really not. It's not that bad. Okay, we got that tight. Put this back on the assembly line like so. Got this 30 weight non-detergent Napa. Here, take a screenshot, Napa. And you're gonna get a lot of bubbles. Always try to run it after the fact. Give it a little tap. Shake the trailer if you need to. Still looks good. Now we're empty, so we're gonna fill it up a little bit. Again, shake the trailer a little bit. We've been putting a towel under it like today, which was not ideal, but it got us through the day. The last couple of days, we've just been too busy. And I noticed this because I was like, man, we're losing oil. And I couldn't figure it out until I came over here and I seen the drippage. So I'm gonna clean all that up right away. And right now we're full, but that's gonna change as soon as I crank it up. There you go. And always keep this in the trailer. JIC. There you go. That's all done, folks. Pretty simple fix. But again, having the tools, the right parts. Again, if it's cheap, order your multiple sets. It's cheap. And that's it for the video. Appreciate it. Like, sub, call, comment. Peace.